नमस्कार, इर्मी ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स में आपका स्वागत है। In this short tutorial, we will discuss the ways to share or attach documents to e-file in eOffice. Since it is not introductory clip about eOffice, it is assumed that Beaver is already using eOffice and is familiar with the most common processes, that is diarizing and filing the PDF pages and attaching PDF files to the note itself. Rather, we shall discuss two less commonly used features of e-office platform, that is sending letters or documents to multiple users without any e-filing and attaching Microsoft Office files as local references. First, to simply send a letter or a document through eOffice without first filing it in normal file, we can simply use the diarize function of receipt clerk. As stated earlier, this function can be used to send letters or documents to multiple recipients across eOffice platform. However, this file need to be only in PDF format. Also, such documents can very well be sent through email. Sending it through eOffice has two distinct advantages though. One, it is very secure platform, and second, the file gets preserved in eOffice. In order to send letters and documents through eOffice, the user must have rights to diarize the document, which can be set by eOffice administrator of the concerned unit to which user belongs. Let us see how we can send such letters or documents to multiple recipients in eOffice. This is the home screen of eOffice. Go to File Management System. The default screen always goes to Files inbox. We should click Receipt tab located above Files tab. Under that, click on Browse and Diarize menu item, which takes us to Diarize screen. The procedure is routine for receipt clerk where a scanned PDF file, since only PDF files are accepted here. Please remember that file name should not contain any dot character in the file name itself. In the file extension, the dot character is okay. Any file name having dot character in the middle of file cannot be uploaded. The process after uploading and filling in other details. The mandatory details that are needed to be filled are marked with star. We can click on Generate and Send button located at the bottommost rightmost corner of the screen. This takes us to Send screen. We can search and select the name of recipient, and in the CC field we can search and select multiple recipients. All names must be separated by semicolon. If required, other options can be used and set, but those are not mandatory. Click on Send and the letter or the document is sent to multiple recipients now. Now let us discuss the attachment of files to e-files through local reference. As local reference, other than PDF file, certain types of Microsoft Office file formats can be attached. These are MS Word, files having file extension of .doc prior to Office 2007 or .docx of MS Office 2007 onwards. Similarly, MS Excel having file extension of .xls or .xlsx and MS PowerPoint files having extension of .ppt or .pptx can be attached. Other file formats or OpenOffice documents are not accepted or supported. Such local reference file would not have any folio number or the page number associated with e-file. These files, once uploaded and sent, can neither be edited nor deleted. However, these files can be deleted before sending the file to any recipient. The recipient on the other side can download these files, modify the files, and either use the files or upload it once again without affecting the previously uploaded files. Let us start eOffice. Go to Files inbox, open any file required, in the inbox. To attach files locally, select menu item reference, local reference. A reference screen opens at right hand half of the screen. Click on the button marked Upload File. Browse and select the file required to be attached and click Open. Only one file can be selected and uploaded at a time. Any file name having dot character in the middle of file cannot be uploaded. Repeat the procedure for multiple files. If needed, these files can be deleted prior to sending the e-file to any recipient by selecting the files and clicking Delete from the drop-down menu. It will prompt for confirmation of deletion. After all the files are attached, the whole e-file along with attachments can be sent. Once sent, these files cannot be deleted either by the sender or by the receiver. The recipient can view these files in their inbox by opening the file and clicking from the menu item Reference, Local Reference. The recipient can download the file by clicking the file name itself, and downloaded copy of the files can be modified, printed, or simply reused, or even re-uploaded as local reference once again. This is Word file being opened after downloading. Thank you for your time. I hope the tutorial was useful. For any clarification, please email me.